So, our next important topic after typography in graphic designing is color theory. So, let us see what color theory is. So, as you all know, color is one of the most important tools for visual communication. Now, color theory is defined as a set of principles that are used to create harmonious color combinations. Color theory is both the art and science of using the color. It explains how humans perceive color. So, why are few things in the color that they are? Let us find out. Color theory is the collection of rules and guidelines which designers use to communicate with users through appealing color schemes and visual interfaces. We will come to color schemes later on in this video. Let's jump in. Now there are two color profiles, RGB color, which consists of red, green, blue. Combined they make white. And this is used for digital products. And the next one is CMYK color, which is yellow, cyan, magenta, and combined makes the color black. Black is represented as K because it is the key color. So this is used for printing purposes like brochures, flyers, visiting cards, etc. So coming to colors, there are three primary colors: red, blue, and yellow. And then there are secondary colors, which are the colors we get on combining the primary colors. For example, red and yellow gives us orange. Blue and red gives us violet. Yellow and blue gives us green. Now tertiary colors. What are tertiary colors? They are the colors we get on combining the primary colors and the secondary colors. Like yellow and orange gives us amber, blue and green gives us teal, orange and red gives us vermilion, etc. So what is color wheel? Now when you combine primary colors, secondary colors and tertiary colors, it gives us the color wheel. So this is how the color wheel looks. Coming to warm colors. The left side of the color wheel gives us warm colors. It represents passion, love, happiness, energy, and anger. On the other hand, we have cool colors, which represents health, calmness, beauty, sadness, indifference. That is why most of the healthy food products are green. Next we have hue. Hue represents the color being displayed as found on a red, green, blue scale or the color wheel. It is the pure color. Next we have saturation. So color saturation refers to the intensity of the color in an image. As the saturation increases, the color appears to be more pure. As the saturation decreases, the colors appear to be more washed out or pale. Next, we have value. Value refers to the lightness or darkness of a color. It defines a color in terms of how close it is to white or black. The lighter the color, the closer it is to white. The darker the color, the closer it is to black. Color schemes. What is color scheme? In simple terms, a color scheme consists of a combination of colors used in a range of design disciplines from fine art to interior designing to graphic designing. They can be monochromatic, analogous, complementary, split complementary, triadic, square, and tetradic. Let us see one by one what each color scheme means. We have monochromatic colors. As you can see, the name itself suggests mono means one and chrome means color. So monochromatic color refers to a color scheme that is comprised of variations of one color. It will range between the lighter and darker versions of the base color or hue. This is an example for monochromatic colors. Analogous colors. Analogous colors are three colors next to each other on the color wheel. They are composed of one dominant color, usually the primary color or the secondary color, then a supporting color, which can be a secondary color or a tertiary color, and then a third color that is a mix of first two colors. So this is an example for analogous color scheme. Next we have complementary color scheme. So the complementary color scheme draws from two colors on the opposite side of the color wheel. When you do this, the result is a high contrast combination that is bright and pops. This is an example for complementary color scheme. Orange and blue. Next we have split complementary colors. So the split complementary is a color theme using one base color and two secondary colors. You will still require a primary color as your main color choice. Looking at the color wheel, you can select two opposite colors to complete your split complementary color scheme. You are not limited to 3 colors, however, you can even use 4 or 5 if you wish. And this is an example for split complementary colors. Next, we have triadic colors. So, triadic color scheme basically consists of 3 colors that are evenly spaced on the color wheel. This combination creates bold, vibrant color palettes. Next, we have square color scheme. In the square color scheme, there are 4 colors equidistant from each other on the color wheel to create a square or diamond shape. Square color schemes are rich in color and offer variations. Next, we have tetradic colors. A tetradic color palette has 4 individual colors or hues, a base color and 3 more colors, all equidistant from the base color on the color wheel to form a rectangle. Now, let us see what are tints, what are shades, and what are tones. So, as you can see, the main hue is in the middle, and if you keep adding more white, we get the tints of the hue. If we keep adding more black to the main hue, then we get the shades, and if we add gray, then we get the tones. Now, in Illustrator, XD, and all other applications that we use to design, we have something called a hue cube. So this is the hue slider. These are the colors on the color wheel. So here we can choose our colors, and when we have a particular color on our mind, so adding white is going towards the left, adding gray is going to the left diagonally, and adding black is going to the bottom.